Hello friends, today we are going to study about basic terms commonly used in dermatology or basics of dermatology. Macule. Macule is a flat, non-palpable lesion distinguished from adjacent normal skin by a change in color. So it should be non-palpable and can be distinguished by surrounding skin by change in color. So it is a macule. Papule. Papule is said when there is a small solid and raised lesion, but this lesion should be less than 5 mm in diameter, so it is called papule. And when diameter is more than 5 mm, so it is known as nodule. So less than 5 mm diameter it is papule, or more than 5 mm in diameter it is nodule. Plaque. A flat top lesion with a diameter considerably greater than its height. Its height is less than its diameter, so it is known as plaque. Wheal. A transient swelling of skin of any size, often associated with surrounding localized erythema, the flare. It is surrounded by erythema. It is wheal. Vesicle. A blister less than 5 mm in diameter is known as vesicle, or when blister is more than 5 mm in diameter it is known as bulla. A vesicle is not solid, but in case of macule and papule they are solid raised lesion. Pustule. Pustule, a visible accumulation of pus, therefore white, yellow or green in color. It is known as pustule. Erosion. Erosion, an area of skin from which the epidermis, only epidermis, is lost, is known as erosion. But when epidermis as well as dermis both are lost, this is known as ulcer. When the epidermis is lost, it is known as erosion, and when epidermis and dermis both are lost, this is known as ulcer. Fissure. A cleft shaped ulcer. It is fissure. Telangiectasia, a visible dilated small dermal blood vessel. Dilated small dermal blood vessel known as telangiectasia. Comedone, accumulation of keratin and sebum lodged in dilated pilosebaceous orifice is known as comedone. Scale, a flake of keratinized epidermis cell laying on the skin surface is known as scale. Crust, dried serous or serpiginous exudate. This is crust. Hyperkeratosis, an area of thickened stratum corneum, is known as hyperkeratosis. Thickened stratum corneum is known as hyperkeratosis. Sclerosis, hardening of skin due to dermal pathological changes characterized by induration, is known as sclerosis. Lichenification, thickened skin with increased marking, usually due to prolonged stretching. This is lichenification. Umbilicated, small shaped like the umbilicus. When there is a small shaped like umbilicus structure is, then it is termed as umbilicated lesion. Warty lesion, horny excrescence. When having, it is very clear, by visualizing we can distinguish and as a warty lesion. Excoriation, scratch or abrasion of skin, is known as excoriation. Hope you understand all this. Thank you for watching this.